Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have unboxing that's going on here. This is something that came in from OCD4EDC. It's something I'm going to be putting on this knife here, so let's take a look. Cool. Alright, so we're going to be using some metal glue. So that came included. Some Swedish fish and a lollipop. I always appreciate the candy. Oh, we got a little sticker packet. I asked them if it would be possible to have a little sticker packet for the giveaways. And looks like they included them. That's so nice of them. I wanted to highlight OCD4EDC because I use a lot of their products. And I highly recommend them. You should go check them out. Oh, this is going to be great. These are going to be giveaway stickers for sure. Look at that. Oh, we even got his wife there. Bonjour, you know, ladies. I won't say it because I want to get demonetized. But very, very cool. Thank you, OCD. Appreciate you guys. These will absolutely be part of our giveaways. Really looking forward to this. So thank you to them. And so here it is. And what's special about this is this might be a several-part video. First, I'm opening this, and then we're going to look at this because there's several steps that are going to be involved with this. Got your typical cleaning cloth. Another sticker, which I already have. And then what we have here is something very special. This is a titanium one. It's even been nicely, look at that, it's even chamfered. That's really sweet. So I want to put that on here. Now before I do that, I'm going to probably polish this a little bit. So we're going to polish this. We're going to take this off. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to polish this part. So I'm going to keep this together over here. And we're going to move this over here, and then we're going to do a little bit of polishing on that. Now, for me to do that, I need my other tools. And I'm going to get my flits, and then I have a couple of these buffers, things here as well. These are tools I'm going to use as well to polish them. Looks much better. All right, so I'm putting that tool to the side. Clean my hands off here a little bit. I probably should read if there were any directions like, don't let this touch your skin. I don't know if it does. Normally, I'm not this close to something I'm polishing, right? And I am today because I had to hold this little itty bitty piece. I think that's going to look nice on this. Now, I get it. The coating that I had on there, you know, if you had any imperfections in the titanium, you're going to have to do a high polish for that. But I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that, quite frankly. So that came out pretty good. Where's my tool? There we go. That's all it took. All right. All right, so what we want to do is we want to have this on here, like so. Yeah. All right, so you see what it's going to look like? A little bit like that. I think that's going to look pretty freaking sick. All right. Now I must clean off the surface. Make sure that's nice and perfectly clean. All right, I'm going to let that sit. Now let's see what we do with the glue here. Okay, seal off and close this up. Seal that nice and tight. Put it back in here out of the sun. Don't know if this can be used again or not. I don't know if this can be used again. I'm going to put it in there with the hopes that it can be, but we will see. Definitely going to be the new CME glue that I'm going to use, for sure. So if you're curious, here's the instructions. Apply a small amount, 2 to 3 drops of glue on the CME using paper like a shim. Apply compression onto the knife. Ensure that there's enough space between the CME and the scale rubbing occurs. Allow the glue to cure for at least 8 to 10 hours. And there's also a video for this. He's got a YouTube channel video on his channel that he uses, so definitely can use that. Looks like I got a little something right here. We'll have to get that off later. Maybe a little alcohol will clean it up. Any left in here? Oh, I'm glad I did it now. Probably hasn't cured yet, so it'll stick a little bit better. It will be easier to get off. Looks like it's fitted on there pretty good. Yeah. I'm excited. That's all there's to it. Now we're done. So what I did is I had to break this little piece off. And then you can see the glue where it sticks on the thing. If I reuse this CME, which I will, probably, I will sand this down, all this glue off. I'll get all this stuff off that's on here right now, right? All this glue. And then we'll be able to reuse this CME right here. Because you can see there's glue right here. And that's what I was doing, if you're ever curious. I mean, you can reuse these. I've transferred these before, so and that's fine. Or if they fall off, I just had to clean them up and reuse them. So I'm going to put it in here. Put my instructions in there once we're done with that. But that was relatively easy, right? Not too difficult at all. So we will take a look at it and see when it's done. I don't want to pull on this right now because I don't want to pull away. I want that to cure. But you can see, having polished it, how it matches really nicely. You see that? I like that better than the black. This, with the KP custom lanyard tube, custom clip, custom scales, Maxamet steel. This is a souped up little beauty. And I don't know let's see if you can see that in the light. Let me zoom in. You see that? Look at that color. This matches really nicely. Now, granted, it's not, there's a little dents there, but I'm okay with that, man. I could have polished that out. Absolutely could have polished that out. When he applied the coating on there, that absolutely, and I don't know if it was a coating, that could have been just a raw titanium that had been polished. And so, typically you'd polish stuff like that out, but this is fine with me. I'm going to use this knife, right? Still looks gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. To me, it gives it a little bit of character, I think. I like that. All right, there we go. We'll let that go. So you see this, how it matches really nicely. And the little character, I think that's really nice. So in case I missed this and I moved around and you didn't get this, I'm doing this over. But you can see how it really matches nicely, the rest of it. And some of those little divots are just because it's raw titanium and I polished it. Now, you could polish it more to get rid of all of that, but I'm okay with that because this is what I wanted. I just wanted it to match the metal, and it does really well. So I think it gives it some beautiful character, right? I think this is going to look sick, absolutely sick. But that being said, there you go. And you can do the black CME like I had over here, right? There's a little black CME that you can also do, and he has different colors as well. So, hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, informative, or entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button? If you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? If you've already hit the subscribe and like button, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I really do. Would you consider also hitting that notification button so you can be notified of future content? And to all of you guys who like, subscribe, watch the videos, man, I appreciate you guys. And to you channel members who are channel members and support the channel, thank you. Thank you to every one of you guys. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you. Just want you to know that. And so, and if you're on the fence and you think, hey, I'd like to become a channel member, I would love to have you. I would absolutely love to have you. It would be an honor. And I have 3 different tiers, and I do a once a month giveaway. So I would love to have you for that as well. And we are coming up for the big 4K giveaway. That should be a big, exciting thing. So love to see that. If you see this video afterwards, then obviously that's already happened, and we might be on to bigger and better things. Who knows? Kind of blown away by any growth in this channel right now. It's just I'm very humbled by it. Let me just put it this way. Very humbled by you guys who watch, who support the channel, and appreciate all of that. And just a big shout out to you guys. Hey, and if you haven't already, maybe also check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.